Guys, Terra Luna Classic is still maintaining these levels of support, and I know it's gonna be a fun day today. Just to let you know, let's talk about Terra Luna Classic. Terra Luna Classic looking strong at the level of support, around 8,500 to 9,000 points per coin. And I know the price action has been nothing short of amazing lately. But we've got a lot going on in terms of the burn tax being raised, in terms of this major network upgrade, and we've got a lot of news article being written that Terra Luna Classic could be on its way back to that $1 mark. We're gonna focus a little bit on that in this video today because this is actually a pretty decent article. And we're also gonna be going over some of the burn numbers and some of the volume numbers because a lot of people worried about volume with the increasing tax. So let's talk numbers. Guys, we're gonna have some fun today. This article says as Terra Luna Classic finally implements major network upgrade is lunc at 10 cents. We've talked about $1, we've talked about a penny. Let's talk about 10 cents, because here's 2 cents on the penny. Yes, I do believe a penny is feasible. A penny takes us to the we don't even need burns but a penny. Terra Luna Classic is gonna take us back to the $50–60 billion valuation. We've seen meme coins do it, and we know that Terra Luna Classic is its own layer 1 blockchain. So I do believe a penny is feasible during a bull market when people are flowing in and FOMOing in and without burns. Now is 10 cents feasible? 10 cents to get that $60 billion valuation, which is not crazy since meme coins can do it. We would need to burn 90% of the supply. So keep that in mind. So 10 cents, yes, in my opinion, we're going to look at the author here, but 10 cents in my opinion is feasible if and only with roughly a 90% burning of the supply. When you start to get into that $1 mark and you're talking trillions of dollars in valuation, drastic things would have to happen, and you're gonna need to burn 99+% of the supply if you expect to touch those types of valuations. So the author goes on to say the Terra Classic community is still gearing up to revitalize the once broken blockchain as well as boost the price of Terra Luna Classic. This has led to the implementation of several strategic network upgrades and ecosystem expansion projects. I love the way these guys word stuff. Man doesn't need to get you pumped when they make it sound so intense. As notified by the Terra Validator's Twitter handle, the latest upgrade on the Terra Classic network was executed in the early hours of today. The network upgrade comes shortly after the proposal of 11,515 passing community governance voting. The proposal, dubbed New Economic Policy for Terra Classic, was submitted by Defunct, and it upholds that surplus burns would enhance the growth of lunc, attracting more investors to the project. Let's hope so. Notably, the recent completed Terra Classic network upgrade has increased the burn tax from 0.2% to 0.5%. It is expected that this is going to lead to more quantity of lunc being burned. Now, can this boost lunc's price? While the effect of this development is yet to be seen on the lunc price, the community believes will have a positive impact in the long run as more exchanges joint increase the levy per every lunc and US transaction burn. Consequently, the lunc burn rate is expected to experience a massive surge. Yes, but there's a massive difference between Qcoin and Binance and these exchanges implementing that burn tax on exchange transactions, which they have not and will not do, and just their on-chain deposits and withdrawals. The deposits and withdrawals, we get it like they will be burning on that, but we are not going to be touching the $20 to $30 to $40 to $50 million a day in total volume. That Terra Luna Classic does that is excluded from the on-chain transactions or from the burn tax. What we're experiencing the burn tax on are the on-chain transactions which come from decentralized exchanges, which is roughly $40,000 to $50,000 per day in volume. So of course, this goes on to say that Binance has been burning this month, the burn tax has increased and things are looking good. So let's discuss this numbers really quick just so we get an idea of what's going on. Terra Luna Classic over the last couple of weeks has been averaging between $40,000 and $50,000 per day in decentralized exchange volume or on-chain volume. That number has remained the same today. Looking at the last 24 hours, Terra Luna Classic volume is sitting at $20,800,000. That is down 14% from the previous day, and it's sitting right there at 20 million. Now, that's great, but nobody cares about centralized exchange volume because that's not affected by the burn tax and it doesn't go into the burn tax. So looking at the decentralized exchange volume, PancakeSwap is getting the highest level of volume and it's sitting at roughly 23,000 on this exchange, 16,000 on this exchange. So when you add all of the decentralized exchanges together, the last 24 hours is roughly $40,000 remaining steady. Guys, the Terra Luna Classic burn tax has not decreased the volume like a lot of people were anticipating. But of course, you have to keep in mind, with only $40,000 to $50,000 per day going through, all we're doing by increasing this burn tax is increasing the overall burns from about $90 to $200. The good news for the builders is that we're increasing the community pool from about a $10 contribution to a $50 contribution. So things are looking very good for the Terra Luna Classic blockchain right now, even though the price is down. Here's the thing that you guys must keep in mind. If you believe in the future of this project, number one, price action is going to be determined by the overall market. If you look at any stock or any company out there, if you look at, well, Walmart is doing okay right now. But if you look at Walmart getting hit or Dollar Tree got hit very hard, it's not that the overall company is doing bad, but the overall market is experiencing a major pullback right now. The economy is not doing well. Interest rates are decade-high levels. We've got the inflation rates at decade-high levels. Things are not looking good for the overall economy, and that's why we don't have money freely flowing into these crypto assets like Terra Luna Classic. But if we continue to build, continue to innovate, and continue to believe in the future, if we are still here when the bull market returns and the overall macroeconomic environment improves, Terra Luna Classic is going to be a very juicy choice. 10 cents. Is it feasible? That's all for today's update on Luna cryptocurrency. We hope you found our analysis and insights valuable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Luna and other exciting blockchain projects. And as always, thanks for tuning into Terra Classic Update. We'll see you in the next one.